I represented a little boy recently named Graham, who was 3 years old at the time. Well, actually, I met him when he was 2. We didn't finish the case until he was 4.5 years old. Graham had suffered a very terrible brain injury at birth, and it was our job to show the jury what had really happened to him and how it was affecting his development, because it was something that shouldn't have happened. It happened in a major hospital here in Washington. At age 4, there's a whole list of things that children should be able to do. They're called developmental milestones. And one of the things is to take a piece of paper with a big circle on it, take a pair of little kindergarten-type scissors, and cut the circle out from the paper. Very simple. Well, his occupational therapist tried to get him to do that, and he took a little snip here and a little snip there, and he kept trying, but it was obvious, even though she kept coaching him, it was obvious that he didn't get it on the planning level of what he needed to do to coordinate the brain with the scissors, with the plan of how are we going to cut out this circle. It was so painful to watch. It took him 10 minutes and he had barely begun. A pediatrician had come in for the defense and did some kind of superficial testing, said he's fine, no problem here. And then it was up to us to show the jury what was really wrong with our client, and this scissors test, as simple as it sounds, was a very important part of that. The result of that case for Graham was that we were able to get enough money into a trust fund that will basically set him up for his lifetime to protect him and make sure that he's always going to have some resources there to shield him if he needs supervision, which is probably likely that he may not be able to function independently as an adult. He will probably be one of these fellows who will just need somebody to look in on him day to day, several times a day.